Yeah. Hi everyone. Myself Anguthu Saida, Assistant Professor in EC Department, KG Reddy College of Engineering Technology, Hyderabad. We have been discussed today multiplexer, demultiplexer, and also implementation of combinational logic by using multiplexer. So today, now we are going to discuss one more important topic, decoder. Okay, very interesting topic in this one is decoder. Okay, decoder is one of the combinational logic circuit. It has n number of information bit, binary information into power n. Okay, to power n output. So what is mean by combinational? Means output of the logic circuit is combination depends upon the combination of the inputs. So like we know that systems has been classified based on the two types of systems. One is combinational logic circuits, other one is sequential logic circuits. So we will discuss later on sequential multipliers, magnitude comparators, and mux, demux, encoder, decoder. All these all comes under the sequential logic. Decoder which converts n number of information to 2 power n number of outputs. Okay, it converts decoder converts n number of input to 2 power n number of outputs. For example, if you take two inputs, it converts 2 power 2 is equal to 4. That is 2 to 4 decoder. It is called as 2 to 4 decoder. So, okay. So let us see the black diagram as well as the 2 to 4 decoder. Black diagram for decoder: n number of inputs 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1, like I say d0 to dn minus 1, dn and so on. Inputs. Then the outputs are 2 power n number of outputs. Okay. So this is what the black diagram for the n to 2 power n decoder, n to 2 power n decoder. So this is the general description of the decoder. Let us take one example. First example is 2 to 4 line decoder. Let us take 2 to 4 line decoder. 2 to 4 line decoder. For this 2 to 4 line decoders, we required 2 inputs and 4 output. 2 inputs and 4 output. Okay. So my reflection question before starting this one, reflection question is: for n is equal to 3, then what are the output? What are the output? Reflection is starting for n is equal to 3 number of inputs. What are the output? Yeah, you have to think. For n is equal to 3 number of input for decoder, you can say it is equal to 3, then 2 power 3 is equal to how much, amma? 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So 8 are the outputs. Okay. So let us focus on the 2 to 4 for 2 to 4 decoders, the block diagram is like this. For 2 to 4 decoder, 2 inputs, okay, like you can get A, B are the inputs, then outputs are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the outputs. You can call as D0, D1, D2 and D3 are the outputs. Okay. So, this is a block diagram. Coming to the truth table, for this operation of truth table, you can call as truth table is AB are the input, you can have the input here, input and have the output. 2 for decoder block diagram I am having with the truth table for operation point of view. Okay. So, let us take A, B are the inputs and D2 and D3 are the output. So, for example, if I go 0, 0 are the input bit, if I give 0, 0 input bit, then similarly, if I choose 0, 1 is the input, then D1 will be depending on the 0. If I take 1, 0 is the input, then our D2 will be selected depending on 0. The last one is 1, 1, A1, B1 if I chosen, then output goes to be D3. Output goes to be D3. So, what is the circuit? What is the designing logic? We can call as logic design for this decoder. Logic design for 2 to 4 decoder. For 2 to 4 decoder. So, like we have seen that D naught is the output. This output will occur when A bar, B bar. Okay. Similarly, when it is A bar and B. So, similar with this, A, B are the input and these are the output. So, let us take A, B are the input. We are having our combination also. So, it is combination is A bar, okay, and B, this is B, this is what A, this is what A bar and it is B and it has the combination is B bar, okay, this is what B bar. So, based on this okay, based on the output in naught. Okay. So, what is that? First one is A bar and a B bar, A bar and a B bar, then output false D naught, output is D naught. Okay. We will take the D naught output. Okay. Similarly, what next amma? A bar B, this is A bar and this is what B. So, A bar B output is D1. Similarly, next A B bar, which is this is the A and this is what the B. So, have the grade, this is what D2. Finally, what? Both are A and B. For A B, we have the output, this one is the D3. This is what we have the decoder, 2 to 4 decoder, plus 3 to 8 decoder or 4 to 16 decoder and so on. Okay, this is a simple one, easy one, could be remembered. Decoder is a inversion operation for the encoder also. You can also call decoder also. Input to 2 power n number of output. For example, we have taken 2 to 4 decoder. So, like this is the block diagram for the decoder. It has the input. You can see the 2 to 4 line, 2 inputs, A, B is the input. So, these 4 outputs has been selected based on the A, B input. If I chosen, this is the truth table for the 2 to 4 line decoder, A, B input, D naught, D1, D2, D3 are the output. If you have chosen A, B, A0, B0, then D0 will be get outputted. Next, if I chosen 0, 1, then D1 will be output. 1, 0, D2 will be get output. 1, 1, D3 will be output. And this is the what the logic design for input. So this is the block diagram for the, or we can call circuit diagram, logic design for the 2 to 4 line decoder. Sometimes in the examiner also used to ask, sometimes can be also used to ask design the this boolean the decoder following functions. Design the decoder for the following function. So this, here we have seen three different is equal to sigma m of 0, 4, 7 plus don't care 2, 3 and a, B, sigma m of 1, 5, 6 again B, C is equal to sigma m of 0, 2, 4, 6. So by default it says that 3 different inputs and 8 number of outputs. See, if you observe this sum of products, sum of product means sum of product has 0, 4, maximum number is 7. 7 means it has the 8 outputs. 7 means octal number. It has the 3-bit of binary. In the 3-bit of the octal number system. So this is the octal number system which can have the 3 inputs and 8 positive. Eight outputs are outputs, then inputs are what? Functions having 3 functions. What are those? F1, F2 and F3 are the function, which is called what? This is the 3 to 8 line decoder. 3 to 8 line decoder. 3 to 8 line decoder. So let us see the function. First one, summa means product AND gate. Sum means OR gate. So what are the outputs are in having? A, first function m of 0, 4, 7, 0 bit. Okay, namma. First this has the, let us take 0 bit here and 0 bit here also there and here also there. So go with the 0 bit. Next, what is that? 4th bit. This is the 4th one, and next one is 7th one. These all are moved to the first function. Okay, this could be also that. So yeah, okay. So how could I come to know which gate it is? OR gate. How could I say? Because sum of means OR gate, pi means AND gate. Okay, so sum of 0, 4, 7, 0 line, 4th line and 7th line, which is called as f of 1 of, okay, f of 1. Simple, you can write f of 1. This is the f1 of output. Okay, so one could be also possible of those. So we can also add for this one 2 and also be added 3 also be added, no problem. You can also add 3. 3 could be also added here over. Okay, see that 2, 5, 6. Where is 1? With the 1, 5 and 6. This is what the another OR gate, which is the F2 function. Okay, F2 function. So what is F1? F1 I can say that this one, F2 this one. Okay, what last one amma? Okay, and what I can write from here for easy of point 0 to 4. Where is the 4? Okay, last one is 6. Where is 6? This is what the 6 I can say here. Okay, so these are the F3. These are what amma? F3. F3 is the output. So this is the design, the logic combination logic, implementation of the combinational logic using the decoder. Implementation of the logic using the decoder. So by giving these three different functions, have implementing the 3 to 8 line decoder. Okay. So encoder. What do you mean by encoder? Encoder means encoder. Encoder, which is the one of the important factor which encodes n number of bits to m number of outputs, which encodes n number of output, which is the also combinational logic circuit which converts, which is the inverse operation of the, which is the inversion operation decoder, which is also input and m number of output. The black diagram for the encoder is n number of input and it has the m number of output, which has the m number of output. Called as m number. Opposite of the decoder operation. That means what? For example, 8 inputs and 3 outputs are there. 8, it is the inversion operation of the decoder, which has the, for example, if you take like for 2 to 4, like it has 4 to 2 encoder. You can have the 4 to 2 encoder. Okay. So encoders are classification of encoders, classification of encoders, classification of encoders. First one is priority encoder, priority encoder. Next one is octal to BCD encoder, octal to binary encoder, you can call also binary encoder. And third one is parity encoder, also having hexadecimal to BCD encoder, hexadecimal to BCD encoder, and so on. So meet next class, complete about the encoder for the next sessions. Thank you all.